a lot of jigsaw puzzles. What million is this? Or is it the password is 104? Look, 104. You see? So we better get started building this thing. Let's go build. I need some help. Can you help me, guys? Okay, let's build. Build. This is bigger than everyone. And the little shop is all our building. Cool, huh? Beautiful. Mommy says this is Sleeping Beauty. But they have black hair. And this is what uses a kid. And this is the bunny. And you know what is this? This is the queen. And this is Cinderella. This is Cinderella. And this, I don't know what's this, but I think it's something. And this is Sleeping Queen. All the characters. See, this is Sizing. This is Belle. This is from Wonderland. I don't know what is this name, but maybe it's the evil queen of the Wonderland. And then this is Jasmine. This is Cinderella and her horse. I don't know what's this girl and this girl. These are from the cat. Yeah, this is the princess of the frog prince. This is the prince. Bye! Give us a bye! And please subscribe to our channel. Bye, I'm gonna watch Predator now.